how to create a Pinterest business account. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. So for this, first go ahead and open up Pinterest application. Once the app opens up, tap on a profile from the bottom and now tap on the gear like icon at the upper right corner. Now from the settings page, click on account management. Now from here, just right under your password, you'll be able to see convert to business account. Tap on it. Click on convert account button. Now right here, if you want to add a profile name, then type down your profile name right here and tap on next. On next slide, if you have any kind of website of your own, then you can type down the link of your website right here. If not, tap on no website yet button. Now next, select a category for your account. They'll be given different categories such as blogging, photographs, and if you're not sure, click on I'm not sure and tap on next. Again, if you'll be running ads on Pinterest, select yes. If not, select no. If you're not sure, tap on you're not sure and tap on next. Now go on with the process. Now once you're done, to get started, you can create a pin or board for your account. If not, you can skip this, but then you'll be done. So that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.